A new era for gamers with UOS or Ultra. Have fun staying poor. Welcome to the channel. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Steam, Apple and Google have created convenient ways for users to find and install software by means of important advances in digital content delivery, commonly expressed to end users as app stores. The success of these platforms over the past 10 years has meant that users have grown to expect and demand the kind of ease of use and seamless purchasing experience that these platforms provide. However, this success has also produced a number of challenges for the industry. These include 1. Monopoly. Developers are increasingly having a hard time selling their software outside of these walled gardens, which result in large commission fees and loss of control over their own customers. 2. Discovery failure. As the catalog of games continues to grow, gamers are having a harder time discovering the right kind of content. 3. Missed opportunities. The relatively new phenomena of streamers and gaming influencers has created a new opportunity for game marketplaces to reward and pay users for their playtime. The white paper sets out to explain not only the problem faced by players and developers today but also how Ultra is best positioned with a solution. Ultra is building a first-class PC game publishing platform and marketplace that puts an end to the current distribution monopoly. Specifically, Ultra will be more fair to developers. Developers earn plus 21% more sales revenue with faster payout. Provide effective marketing tools. Developers get access to a range of new business and marketing tools. Introduce new revenue streams. Developers and gamers will have access to a range of new revenue opportunities. Establish a rich token-based economy, powering referral bonuses, digital goods, rewards programs and more. Be backed by industry leaders. The team behind Ultra has a long history in the game industry and its high-end relationships network spans the globe. Guys, make sure like, comment and let me know your thoughts. Please subscribe to my channel. Have fun staying poor.